Hey ladies and gents, welcome to D.I.Y, the show where I teach you... Who was that?
Help!
What? Who are you?
I'm Michonne.
Okay, but why are you here?
There's walkers outside.
Walkers? What do you mean?
Walkers outside? Need help?
What are zombies doing out here?
Zombies?
Yeah, zombies. You know, The Walking Dead?
Hey, I'm in that show.
Okay, but what are zombies doing here?
Well, I guess you'll have to find out, won't you?
Yeah, I guess so. Let's kick some dead ass. They can talk?
Yeah, me no harm, dude.
Really? Then explain what happened to my friends.
We're the walkers, not us. Hell, we're here trying to Walking Dead at the end of the show. It's gonna be back on in October, and we're gonna want the props in our hands. You ever throw props on the show?
Oh, okay. How about I show you how to make Carl's gun from Season 3?
That'd be great.
Then I'll show you how to make Michonne's katana in the next episode.
Sweet.
This is Kai's D.I.Ys. In the early years of The Walking Dead, Seasons 1 and 2, Carl doesn't really use a gun that much. That was until the end of Season 2 when he, spoiler, put down Shane. When Season 3 started up, fans were excited for the new season, but they were also questioning what was on the end of Carl's gun as a silencer. The answer was a metal baseball bat. Yeah, it looks kind of funky, but I can understand what they were going for. Rick was using a flashlight, and then Carl was using a baseball bat. He used the gun along with the silencer throughout the third season, and it never made an appearance again after that. So in honor of Season 3 and Carl, I'm going to show you how to make the silencer.
Here's what you're going to need for this project. A small circle clamp, a plastic bottle in the shape of a bat, metallic silver spray paint, a wooden dowel that's going to fit into the barrel of your gun, hot glue, plumbing epoxy, hippo gray acrylic paint, and a toy Beretta of your choice. I chose to go with my old BB gun. First, I took one of my favorite juice bottles and cut off the plastic wrap. Then, I needed to drill a hole into the bottom of the bottle for the wooden dowel to go through. After that, I used my bandsaw and cut off the threads and the lip of the bottle. I've said in the Keyblade episode that I used the bandsaw because I had it on hand, but if you don't have one, you could also use a handsaw or X-Acto knife. Just be careful and go slow with it. After sanding it down smooth, I had to plan out how to put this together. The two main pieces and the gun of the bottle inside the bottle will be a crafty little mechanism to hold them together. The dowel supporting the bottle, a circular piece of cardboard to support the dowel, and a thick nail that'll go into the dowel and support everything into the barrel. I put the dowel into the toy gun and measured how much of the dowel I'll need, then cut it to size. It should stick out of the bottom of the bottle about 3 centimeters. And after some messing around, this happened.
Oops.
Yes, I watch Friends as I build stuff. Taking the plumbing epoxy, I basically sculpted a dull roundness to the bottom of the bottle. Once it hardened the next day, I sanded all imperfections and unwanted bumps. After that, I used my X-Acto knife to shave off excess and sanded it to make it flush to the bottom. Then I used my L-shaped ruler called a square and guessed where the diameter was to make an X and drilled through the center of the two connected lines. Use a 1/2-inch drill bit here and drill through it completely. Here's how it should look so far. Shaving the tip of the dowel that will go into the bottle will force it to fit into the hole of the bottle. Now for the cardboard circle. Take the bottle and the dowel, put it together and make an indent into the cardboard. Then cut out 2 layers of it and make a hole through the center to fit the dowel. Here's how it should look so far. Then I took hot glue and made little tiny beads along the seam where the epoxy and bottle meet to act like sloppy welds. Finally, we get to paint. I first took some gray primer and did a layer over the whole thing. Once that dried, I did a layer of silver spray paint on top of that. Now you can see the glue beads, and they look great. But to enhance the look of them, I took the gray acrylic paint and painted a few layers on top of just the glue. I then took the nail and cut the head of it off. Using a pencil, I scribbled where the head was, placed the nail in the toy gun, then the dowel to mark where in the dowel to drill for the nail to go. Then I can finally assemble the dowel to the bat piece. A bit of a struggle, but overall nothing too bad to handle. Once in place, I put hot glue along the inside around the dowel for better strength. Then I put the circle clamp on the toy gun first, and then the bat piece. After I tightened the clamp, I was done.
And here you go, Carl's gun from Season 3. Now remember folks, the Beretta is a real-world weapon, and you will get in trouble for it if you go out in public, so be very careful if you're planning to film with it. And join me in the next episode, in a week or so, where I show you how to make Michonne's katana. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video.